Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to start a conversation on Bumble using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Bumble app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap the chat icon. Looks like a speech bubble. Here you will see all your current messages. Scroll through your messages and tap the person you want to message. This opens the chat screen. Tap the text box at the bottom and type your first message. Keep it friendly, simple, and interesting. When your message is ready, tap send. Your match will now see your message and can reply. If your match doesn't reply, don't worry. Sometimes people are busy or take time to respond. Be patient and respectful. And that's it. Now you know how to start a conversation on Bumble using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.